Tapos dalawa na lang, tapos hosting na tayo. Oo nga. Gil, ikaw yun pa isa.
Makita niya yun.
Sige. Iba tayo sa kanila. So yun pa tayo.
What did you feel a while ago?
A little awkward, but I decided to go on with what I was doing.
Weird, hindi mo alam paano kung magre-react.
Baliw ba?
First, weird. Weird yung feeling. Kasi she's standing right in front of us.
Naisip mo ba na parang tanungin siya or whatever?
Naisip ko tanong siya.
Seryoso?
Tatanungin siya.
Yun ba? Okay.
Okay.
I'm like, what? Ano meron?
Shocked and medyo not curious why she started staring at me randomly even though I didn't really know her.
What did you think of me? Like,
If she was gonna continue sana, I was gonna stand and go to my friend there.
Parang, no, parang I feel like, I thought PP ka or what, or, ayun.
Oh no.
I thought parang, when you look at me, parang hindi ako makatitig na mabuti. Ewan ko parang may intention ka, sama. Actually, I was finally, kunwari, see her ako or what, pero, wala lang. Medyo weird and awkward, don't know how to react.
Awkward ba? Okay, sorry.
Natakot na ako. Sino siya? in-expect na gano'n. May susunod bigla. Ang creepy ng feeling.
Pero parang naisip mong magalit or what?
Most likely, tatakbo ko kasi sa sobrang takot. Pero syempre, since medyo nasa loob naman ng Lasal, medyo na-creep out lang ako na ba't ka sumunod